Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use in a UTV in a bumper mounted application. In this particular case, we're showing you a Can-Am Defender. Unusual thing about this system is that we're actually mounting it right to the factory bolt holes in and on the bumper, so we're not modifying anything, no drilling, not even any damage to the vehicle. This is an aftermarket bumper for this particular vehicle, but our system is very strong, and it'll allow you to be able to get into the front, particularly with these reverse hinged doors. Okay, so my first step is going to be to put the sling on. The sling is going around me, so you can see that it's not actually underneath my bottom, so you don't need to lift the person in order to get the sling on. You can have the sling in the back. This is all battery operated. All of these parts here, these silver parts, are removable. The only parts that stay with the Can-Am or the UTV is going to be the black stuff over there. Now I'm showing this being done independently, but typically it would be done dependent. But it can be done independently, and it can be for the driver's side or the passenger side. And we also make setups for the rear that are going to go into the rear door, and that's going to mount in the rear on the roll cage back there. And on some vehicles, so we make almost all of the UTVs we have the setup for, and some of them actually mount on a structure on the side of the vehicle. So as soon as I get up high enough so that my feet can get in, I simply swing right in. Pull my legs in. Disconnect the sling. Sling is very convenient. It's just a piece of cloth, so you can just fold it down and leave it right in place. This could be attached to the side of the vehicle. We've done something like that, so we can attach it to the side of the vehicle, but typically you're going to remove this when the vehicle is in motion. So lots of different configurations, and that's one of the things about Access Unlimited, is that we really do our best to customize to your particular needs. So we'll listen to what you have to say, and hopefully we can help you get more mobile in your UTV. If you'd like to learn more information about Access Unlimited, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/AccessUN. We're on Twitter at AccessUN, Instagram at Access Unlimited, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com. Check out our YouTube channel, where we have over 3,000 different videos showing you lots of exciting options for getting into and out of a wide variety of places and circumstances and vehicles and homes, and that's at youtube.com/accessunlimited. And you can contact us the old-fashioned way via telephone at 607-669-4822, country code 1 in the United States. And we're also on in the evenings and weekends are no problem, 615-873-0518. Thank you so much for checking out the multi-lift in this beautiful Can-Am Defender UTV side-by-side bumper mounted application. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.